Hi everyone! With this video, I want to show you the easiest way to put an ASP.NET Core application inside a container. This method is simpler than the one on Docker official documents or the one provided by Microsoft. Let's take a look. To begin with, I'm going to create a web API from scratch. And I'm going to call it DirtyContainer because this is going to be quick and nerdy. Let me bring up VS Code and see how it looks like. As you can see, this is the bare minimum scaffolded web API. The first step of this trick is to publish the project. We can just simply call .NET publish locally. Notice this is on the local box. This is not inside the container. Note down the path for the published application here. We will use it in the Dockerfile. Now let's create the Dockerfile. The first thing to do is to pick a base image. Here, I'm using the latest ASP.NET 5 runtime image from the official site. Next, I'm going to set up the current working directory. This is the working directory inside the Docker container. Next, I'm going to copy everything that is published just now in the local box to the current working directory in the Docker container. And the last step is just to set up the entry point. Mine's called DirtyContainer.dll. Okay, that's it. The container is ready to be built. Let's call docker build and give it a tag DirtyContainer and use the current folder as the build context. Oops, wrong slash in the path. Let's fix them. Let's build it again. Works this time. Now let's run the container. Notice that I'm mapping the port to 8080. Let's curl port 8080 just to confirm the container is running. So you see, easy peasy, 4 lines of Dockerfile. What made this easy? We don't build or publish inside a container. We build and we publish the code locally on our own box. By doing this, we don't need to deal with the custom NuGet feed if there's any inside the container. We don't require the builder container to have internet access. There is one layer of published binaries, which makes it simple and straightforward. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care.